What's going on, guys? So here I have a blown light bulb, as you guys can see, and I was trying to get it out of there, and it's deep inside, and I just can't get a good handle on it. So let's see. I'm over here. I'm trying to spin it, as you can see. I just can't get it. So figured I would try something. We got a suction cup here. Just a little regular suction cup. I'm going to stick it on there. Obviously press it in and see if I can get, oh, there it is. And it's spinning. Alright, so that worked. That's great. As you guys can see, got a stuck light bulb. Just stick a suction cup on the top and you can just spin it around. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.